So I give this wig a 10 out of 10. In Beauty Forever, the quality of the hair is always great. From Beauty Forever, shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. But I have this wig here, okay? I just took it straight out the box, and this wig is a little different. Has some new features, so let's get into it before I install. So for one, the hairline is amazing. You guys see, this is again straight out the box. I haven't plucked anything or done anything to this wig, which I did plan on doing because I have somewhere important to go tomorrow. So this is gonna be the wig that I'm gonna be wearing. So I'm just giving it a test run. It comes pre-cut, but it comes pre-cut in a natural way, so you can follow that and trim off a little bit more of the lace to your likings. Also, they have these new tabs, which are basically like lace tape. You guys remember back in the day, everybody was wearing the lace tape before the lace glue. This is basically it for the ear tabs, so that if you decide to wear this glueless, at least this is down and it will kind of secure the wig as well. It also comes with some extra, so you have quite a bit, because this goes, is it cut into 4? Yeah, this comes with a lot. It has a lot, okay? So you have a lot of extra, of course, with the extra goodies that come in the bag. Then, of course, the adjustable band and the comb. I'm really excited to wear this because it's looking really good. Oh, I'm so glad. I'm gonna have like a really cute makeup look I wanna do over on the other app. If you know, you know. I've been over there lately. Notice also how I don't have to cut the ear tabs because it fits perfectly. And yeah, I do have on my jacket in the house because it's like really cold for some reason, but also I don't want to turn on the heat because then it gets like really stuffy. I'm going to pin this back so we can get a closer look at this hairline. Pull my sleeves up. I just want to make sure everything is good before I actually lay this down, because this is it's gonna stick down. I'm just gonna cut a little bit more of this off. It's a little bit too much excess lace for me. So what you're gonna wanna do, and I'm gonna try to zoom in, is you're gonna wanna take this blue part off and make sure it's still sticking to the wig. Okay, you see that? It's like a sticker or like a piece of tape. And you're gonna adhere that down. Okay, I'm actually not mad at this so far, and it's not shiny. So, love that. So now I'm gonna do it to the other side, and before I was just peeling off the blue part, but you gotta make sure that that's down. I'm not sure, because again, this is my first time trying this kind of wig. I'm not sure if you're able to take this on and off, if you need to reapply the tabs. Every time I will let you know. But what I do like about these, and they gave you extra ones, is that you can place them where it works for you. So if you want this to be tacked down, you can most definitely do that. If you want it to be more right here, like I would probably do one right here, because I feel like my hairline dips pretty low right there. So I would want it to be like that. Like this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna start putting these in my wigs. Hold up now. And I'm actually gonna take my foundation. This is the Makeup Forever foundation. I really like this for this. It's like one of the only ones that really works on my lace. And I'm gonna apply that so that when it melts, it's seamless. And you guys are gonna see a difference as I start to apply it. I was gonna do a get ready with me tomorrow, but I realized that that's gonna probably cause me to be late. So like, we're just not gonna do that. We're gonna think smart here, okay? So now I'm gonna take my Even spray and I'm gonna melt that in and then put the elastic band on. And then we're gonna come back and style.
You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got Had a few niggas fight it out for me. Tell me, baby, caught my interest. Talking that shit, so intriguing. We could go far, go the distance. I could see it. I'm not trying to be all your motor. If you're over me, then let me know what's up. Don't change up on me in the long run. Keep it all by my money. Cause you got potential. You got you.
But the bottom needs to be altered in some way. I don't know yet, but when I figure it out, you guys will see. So no full outfit today. This is a cute little hair and kind of makeup moment. Chaos per usual. But yeah, the hair looks really good. I'm in love with it. I am gonna like sleep and let it melt some more. It is up. These tabs are not going anywhere. Like I can literally wear, oh my god, so cute. Tomorrow I might wear it up. Oh my gosh. Claw moment. So cute. And like I just need to add a little powder right here, but I don't want to add too much because I'm wearing this tomorrow. So like the more you cake up on it, the crazier it looks. So I give this wig a 10 out of 10. And Beauty Forever, the quality of the hair is always great.